Hello everyone, welcome to Peacock Way. Welcome to my channel. In this project, I'm using dilution spray that is bubblegum pink, pure sunshine, and postbox red. So right now I'm spraying those three colors, and then I'm going to spray some water and spread it out. And I'm using this post box red, which is nice and bright. And I'm going to spray some water and I'm going to dry it. Then I'm spreading it out using some more water and then drying it again. Then I'm using this grungy kind of a stamp, which has like a linen kind of a texture. I'm putting those on the edges. Now I'm using this stamp which has a lace kind of a thing in this. So I'm going to use those and stamp those. And I'm using for all these archival ink. So I'm going to first put the ink on that. So if you're new to my channel or you're visiting my channel first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the like button and leave your comments. So it did not stamp very well, so I'm going to take it out and use my fingers and press it. So I'm using those on different sides. Then I'm using the a kind of a post stamp. I'm just adding those in the random places. Then I'm adding some text stamp. Then I'm going to color the edges. I'm using Neocolor crayons. And then I'm just rubbing it with a wet a baby wipe. I'm doing this like in all the edges. I'm using this stencil and then just regular acrylic paint, and then I'm going to put that paint on different areas. And this stencil is from Crafters Workshop. You can use any paint, acrylic paint would be better. Now I'm going to add a little bit more. Then I'm going to dry this. Then I'm using this Tim Holtz, it's a stamp of numbers, and I'm using Versamark. I think it is like I use both the numbers and the alphabet, so um, it is kind of, I think once we use the embossing powder, it'll be clear. Yeah, it's a alphabet stamp. So I'm using black embossing powder. Then I'm going to use all those, and then I'm going to heat it. And I'm going to melt it. You can see the shine once it gets melted. So once it's all heated, now I'm going to let it cool little bit. Now I wanted to make it flat. Then I'm going to use now numbers. I'm using same Versamark. Then I have used gold embossing powder, and now I'm melting it. I did this die cut. It is the guy with the umbrella, and I'm going to add a text stamp on that. Then I'm going to use this coffee color archival ink, and I'm going to color the edges. And I'm using now double-sided tape, and I'm going to adhere it on the page. Then I'm going to add the coat and finish the project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. Um, if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.